चाहे आप बाप हैं चाहे आप माँ हैं, ये कोई माँ भी सीख के नहीं आती और कोई बाप भी सीख के नहीं आता, बट ये करने से आता है. So when we carry a child, for that is also something when you are a baby, जो आपका connection आपका बनाता है. So thank you so much, Falak, for this beautiful information, for this beautiful thing. Tell me, I just had this question. So coming to you, taking that step is an effort that a parent is making, and there's a child resisting to it and he's not ready to do it.
Yeah.
How does one shift that? Would you play that role for their child, or would the parents have to take that charge?
To come seek therapy?
Yes.
So, yeah, we talk about mind shifts. Like this is something that I discuss with the parent. So sometimes we need to make it seem like coming to therapy is the child's idea. Because if there is no agency in that, then it's very unlikely the therapy would go very well, right? Especially if it's an older child. Um, Sometimes it has happened that kids have just been forced into therapy. And sometimes, इतना rapport build हो जाता है initial 2-3 sessions में, then they do want to come back themselves. But जब नहीं होता, so I do tell the parent that you can't push it on the child, and it could backfire. It's not meant for everybody, right? Then I do tell them that maybe you can come in and we can talk about things that you can do at home to kind of change that
Behavior.
Yeah.
So lovely. Whenever, whatever you need, and whatever you need to understand, Falak is available to have a session. So thank you so much, and I hope you like the show. If you have any questions, please write, and we'll forward it to Falak for any answers. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Falak. It was a pleasure.